Hello everyone, I'm Nilay. I'm presenting a chart called Circular Dendrogram. Circular Dendrogram charts are specially designed for the professional to see to visualize how data is grouped and related into enhanced version. So we have added some more features to make this chart more readable and more informative and user friendly. So let me put all the data quickly here. So now you can see the chart is got rendered with basic setup. Now we can put the license key here. So now I have put the license key. So this is a circular dendrogram. Firstly, circular dendrogram is a way to show hierarchical data in a radial out layout, making it easier to see patterns, especially with large data set. So this chart starts at the central point of the branches in a circle, with each circle representing the level of the hierarchy. Suppose you have seen collective pitch, and it is the hierarchy of the that collective pitch dataset. One key feature we have added to add ability to add a display of top n values. So you can see the top n values here. This is the most important data point, while less significant ones are grouped into the others. So let me open the others. So now you can see other got have the club together. This keep the chart clean and highlight the more relevant information. So if I've selected top three, so it will show the top three of the charts, and other values got collapses into others. You can see the coaxial, fix, and glider got clubbed into the others. So another feature of the chart is called the enhanced dendrogram. The size of each circle reflect the relative value. Suppose this value have the highest value than the other. Suppose you can see here the value is going more higher than the less seeing the parameter. Now we have also added the color coding system to show the dimensions of data. The circle can be red, green, and indicate the it indicates between the gradient of red and green. Red means the lowest and green means the highest. You can modify this data into data colors as well. If we select the lower bound color as a purple and the highest bound color will be yellow, so it will got turn into the lowest will be purple and highest will be yellow. The highest circle will get the color of yellow, while the value of lowest color will get the color of lowest bound of the data. Suppose you can see here southern parameter has the lowest value, that's why it have a small circle, while other has a great or bigger circle here. So for example, in marketing scenario, the size of the circle could represent the sales volume of different products, while the color indicates the customer satisfaction. You can see the here. Suppose if you have a higher set of colors, it can see the customer satisfaction. Otherwise, if we have the low means the purple color, so purple color have the lowest priority. That's why it says set 00. It's got the purple means the purplest color will show the less satisfaction as compared to other. In summary, our enhanced circular dendrogram, these are designed into give a clear and comprehensive view of the data by focusing on top values, varying circles sizes using color gradients. This chart help quickly to identify key patterns and insight. This drop down you can change the pie chart to the donut chart and donut chart to pie chart as well. We have the all modifications. We can give the colors to line as well. Suppose we give colors to the lines, it will turn red into it. So this chart is totally customizable. We can put your logo of the company here as well and background of logo. Suppose we have to select dash line, so it will show the dash line here. So it is totally customizable chart, as you can see here. Thank you.